Oral arguments have wrapped up in a federal court in Tucson earlier this evening in a case that challenges an Arizona law that prohibits biological boys from competing in girls' sports.
The suit names State Superintendent Tom Horn as one of the defendants. News 4 Tucson's Eric Fink was in the courtroom today and joins us live from downtown with more on this story. Eric.
Sean, Monica, this all stems from a bill that former Governor Doug Ducey signed into law last year, requiring children to play on girls' sports teams according to their biological sex. Well, the parents of two transgender girls sued. Now the plaintiffs wanting a federal judge here in Tucson to block the law. Arizona Superintendent of Public Instruction Tom Horn supports the law the legislature passed and former Governor Doug Ducey signed last year. Horn argues when it comes to competitive sports, the playing field needs to be separate.
It's cosmically unfair to have girls who have taken sports seriously and worked hard and want to excel and want to maybe go for college scholarships or whatever, to have to compete against males which they cannot compete against because of the biological advantage.
Lawyers for the plaintiffs, which include parents of a transgender girl going to a high school in Tucson, argue the state law violates both Title IX and the Americans with Disabilities Act.
We've been separated males from females so that females could excel in sports, and Title IX was designed to do that so that women have the same chance in sports. If the Arizona law is declared unconstitutional and males can compete on female teams, that would destroy Title IX and it would destroy female sports.
We gave the lawyers for the plaintiffs the opportunity to talk, but they declined to comment. News 4 Tucson spoke with transgender activist Mikey Schock.
All they want to do is just play sports. They don't want to harm anyone. They don't want to interfere with anyone. And excluding them from these sports is not fairness.
Schock hoping Arizonans and the judge show compassion for transgender girls.
If you were in their shoes, if you were someone that was constantly being bullied and ridiculed for who you are, imagine if one thing that you absolutely love, which is sports, is something you can no longer participate in because you're different.
I wish people who are showing sympathy toward the transsexuals would show some sympathy to the girls who've been devastated by not being able to excel in their sports.
And the Arizona Interscholastic Association, the AIA, the organization that oversees high school sports here in our state, also named as a defendant in this lawsuit. No timetable tonight on when this federal judge may issue her ruling. We're live downtown. I'm Eric Fink, News 4 Tucson.